who are new to this channel, welcome. I am your host, name's Din Armada, and we're now going to do the draw for F5 Certification Exam Giveaway because I am Career and Certification Captain. And thanks for the thousands of entries, really appreciate it. Again, the winner will win F5 101 or F5 201 certification exam, plus F5 101 or F5 201 exam preparation course, which is the highest rated F5 course online. Now, it's time to do the actual draw, and I'm so excited. Let's do this. Drum roll, please. All right, I'm doing this now. I'm gonna hit draw. And the winner is Chaminda. Congratulations! We'll send you an email and please respond to claim your reward. Thanks everyone for participating in this competition, and for the others, sorry you didn't win. But don't you worry, we'll do another IT certification giveaway. Please keep watching our videos and please subscribe if you haven't. Alright, one more. Please visit the community page and let us know which associate level certification you want to win. Associate level only, please. We don't have budget for CCIE or offensive security expert level. Maybe next time. Maybe when we reach 10,000 subscribers.